guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, you are highly welcome. I'm Chigirl Natural Remedies. So guys, in today's video I'm gonna share with you guys drink that will make you to look younger than your age, clear up acne, pimples, and just make you to glow. This drink is a great drink, guys. You can never go wrong with this drink. If you want to look younger than your age and just glow your skin, just keep on watching. But don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved one. Just click on that red button down below and turn on the notification bell so to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Let's just dive into the video. The first thing we have here is our cucumber. I've washed it and it's perfectly clean. Cucumber comprises of about 95% of water, which keeps the body hydrated from within. Cucumber is filling and it will help you shed extra kilos. It also provides the body with vitamin nutrients such as vitamin K. Cucumber contains antioxidants which are vital for the body to fight against diseases. Guys, there's a lot of benefit in this cucumber. So I'll start by cutting the cucumber. So I'm making use of just half cucumber because I'm not doing much. So I'll just cut it and add it straight to the plate. I'm just doing just 1 cup for this morning. This juice is gonna clean up your skin and make you just look beautiful. Just try it and I'll add everything to the plate. And I'm gonna set it aside. So the next thing we have is carrot. So I'm gonna cut the carrot. I'm gonna make use of just 1 carrot and I'm going to cut it into small pieces for easy blending. Carrots are a powerhouse for glowing skin due to the large amount of beta-carotene that helps prevent the generation of cells, slow aging, and makes your skin glow. Carrots also have a large amount of vitamin C, which promotes collagen growth, reduce acne and dark spots. There's a lot of benefits in carrots. Add it to the plate. This 1 full carrot and I'll set it aside. Thing we need is our tomatoes, so you can go ahead and use the bigger one or the small one, depends the one you have at home. Tomatoes contain high contents of potassium and vitamin C. This transforms the dullness of skin and restores glow to the skin. Apart from this, it helps to treat skin problems like aging, sunburn, therefore making it a great skin rejuvenator. So if you're using the bigger tomatoes, just use 2 of it. Okay, so right now I'm gonna add everything into the blender. First of all, I'm gonna add the cucumber, then I'll add the tomatoes, then lastly I'll add the carrots. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Share this video to your friends and to your loved one. Just click on that red button down below and turn up your notification bell so to be notified whenever I upload a new video. I have a cup of water. Then I'll blend. This is a great mixture you cannot go wrong with, guys. If you just want to look younger than your age and clear up those wrinkles, scars, acne, just name it, go ahead and make your own and drink. This is a wonderful drink, great drink. Honestly, it's not a joke. This drink is gonna rejuvenate your skin and just make you to glow and look younger than your age. So right now I'm gonna pour it straight to the cup. So guys, this is just what you need to just look beautiful and just look younger than your age. If you want to look like under 16 and look younger than your age, just go ahead and make your own and drink to make you to look younger and just make your skin to just look like a baby skin. It will make you to just look younger than your age. It will glow your skin. Drink it every morning before food, and it will just clear away all the wrinkles, pimples, acne, and just make you to look beautiful. Hope you guys love this video. Hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Just hit that red button down below and turn up your notification bell so to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Here comes the end of the video. Bye bye guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.